Hello everyone, and welcome back to Glory's house. Today I'm just going to show you a few of the different kinds of appliques that we sell. I'm just now starting to put some videos on YouTube of our items, and I want to show you a few things that we do carry. We carry a lot more, but just to give you an idea, we probably have 7,000 appliques in stock. So probably if we don't have it, you don't need it. That's how many appliques we have. So today I'm going to show you a little bit of our variety. We do carry some novelty appliques like this rose here, little birds, sitting on a little branch. Those are embroidered. They are iron-on. You can sew them on if you prefer. They have the iron-on backing. Most of this stuff here is iron-on, most of it. Okay, so we have sequin. This is our softer embroidery edge sequin appliques. We do have the beaded edge, and they're a little stiffer, a little more sturdy. We have these in all different styles, shapes, designs, and we carry all kinds of the beaded edge sequins also. I don't have one here, but we have all kinds. We sell a lot of the mirrored pairs. This is the gold metallic embroidery, and we have black. We carry different designs in a lot of black, gold, silver, and then we have colored also, just not in as many styles. If you're not familiar with the appliques, this is a 3D applique. It has the little flowers that stand up on it. Got little pearls and rhinestones. Now this is one of our sew-on. Does not have the plastic backing. And this is a pair that you take apart. It's attached together right now. You cut them apart to use them. You just cut right here, then you'd have a mirror pair. But those are really pretty. We sell a lot of 3D. So then we have our rhinestone appliques. These are both bridal sashes that I've got here. They have pearls, clear rhinestones. And these make good bridal sash. You can put them on a ribbon or just put them directly on a dress. If you're interested in any of these items, you can find them at gloryshouse.com, and I will put the link in the description. Then we sell some trims. This is just one of our trims. It's a flower trim, and it's stretchy. It's got the little flowers on it. We sell a lot of it. Now, some of these items are not listed on the website at this time. They're new. I was going to take pictures and get them listed. The trim, the rhinestones are on there already, and the pink pair. We have a lot of roses, but I'm not sure if this one particular is on there. So this is just a little variety of what we sell. You can email us from our website, and we'll answer any questions you have if you're looking for something, but you can go to our website and browse and just see everything that we have. just wanted to do a few short videos to show you the kind of items that we sell. And these items can be put on clothing, costumes, bridal, of course, and home decor, bedding, towels, just kitchen towels, or anything, lampshades, anything you want to embellish. A little applique makes a lot of difference. So if you all need any help, just email us from gloriashouse.com, and thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.